Hey first graders, today what we're going to do is we're going to finish up working on our self-portrait. We learned that a self-portrait is an artwork that an artist creates of themselves. Ours is a fun one. Okay, so we've created our self-portrait on a swing because it's springtime and it's almost summertime. And swings are a great way to get some exercise and fresh air and have a lot of fun. So you'll notice that I have my ropes going all the way off the page. Ropes need to be pretty long for swings, especially when you're taller. What we need to add is our horizon line. And remember, the horizon line is where the sky and the ground meet. And create that horizon line. That way it doesn't look like we're in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw from one side of my paper, jump over the rope, jump over my body, jump over the rope again, and all the way to the other side of the paper. Now you could create anything you would like in the background or in the grass area near your feet. In my example, I created a rainbow. You could do a rainbow if you'd like. It's really up to you. So we're going to trace that line real quick with our Sharpie marker, or pen or colored pencil. And now what we're going to do is we're going to color with crayons. And we're going to color ourselves and the swing and anything in the background you choose. So I want you to test your crayons out. Okay? Before you start coloring in your face thinking, oh, well, this is my color, test it out on the back of your paper. Okay? So I'm going to use this crayon. I'm going to very carefully color in my face. And I want you to look in the mirror and I want you to check out and see what color your eyes are. What color your hair really is. Is it all black? Or is there some brown in there? Okay, so we're just going to keep on coloring for right now. Okay, so what I've done is I've added some texture for the grass, and I finished my shirt and my face. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the hair. Now notice my hair is rather long. I'm going to start with some yellow. And my hair is actually back here too. So if you have longer hair, it's going to be behind your neck as well. And we talked about in the Matisse drawing how to overlap colors to create new ones. So my hair isn't bright yellow. I'm going to take this brown and I'm going to very lightly color that back over. Oopsie. That's okay. To make it the darker color that my hair, that's closer to my actual hair color. And I still have a little bit of that pinkish color in my hair. So I'm going to pick up a reddish magenta. Here we go, red violet. And I'm going to add some of that red back in there. Again, overlapping to create my own colors. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that white crayon. And I'm going to add some clouds in the sky. Oopsie. And remember, when we use watercolor over that, it's going to resist. So now I'm going to take my watercolor. I'm going to dip it in the water. Swish, swish, swish. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Pat, pat, pat. I'm going to start painting my sky. Careful to go around the swing. There's that cloud. Oh, it disappeared. Do you remember why it disappeared? because there's too much paint on it. Or I didn't press hard enough. Remember to press, brush, lift, just like we do in art class. If you get too much paint on a cloud or whatever you have in your background, try just to spread it around. And you'll do the same thing for the grass. You could try to create a sunset or a sunrise or rainbow. Could be a rainy day. Maybe you're swinging in the rain. Now, if you don't have watercolor at home, you can, with the permission of your parents, get some food coloring and some water and make your own watercolors. If you don't have food coloring and you don't have watercolor, but you have markers, as long as they're washable markers, you can color in parts of the sky and the grass, and then use water to spread the marker around. It only works on washable markers, not permanent markers. And most of the Crayola markers are washable. So there's my clouds. I'm going to get my grass on here. When you're all finished, please make sure you share. I would love to see all of your beautiful self-portraits. I miss seeing all of your beautiful little faces. If you have trouble with the Flipgrid, you can email me. My email address is on my website. You can also email your teacher and ask them to send it along to me if you can't find my email address. I hope you enjoyed this project. It's one of my favorites because it teaches us about how our face looks and the shapes that we see, and it makes a beautiful portrait of you. All right, have fun, guys. Bye.